I take a spur bit and drill 2 holes down in past the fracture, and then I'll spiral a dowel, glue it up, and drive it down in, and if you can go past all of the holes, apparently they never split again. I don't know why the factory doesn't run. They one little spline there, right to there, and that's all. So when I take mine after they break to repair, and then to measure the depth or length of the dowel that I want to cut, I want to be a little bit longer than that, so that I'll have some trim off the top and it'll go all the way to the bottom. Okay?
Now what are you doing?
I'm going to cut me 2 dowels 5 inches long. Okay, I want to spiral these so that it'll take the glue down and have all the surfaces glued. Yesterday I turned this over, so I won't do that again.